Greeting. This is Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually insert a photo on this Microsoft Word document here. Right? So you're doing a little project, but you want to insert a photo on it and put it actually in the middle here, but you don't know how to do that. Right? So the first thing you wanted to do is to come right up here and say insert. Click on insert. You can either go online or on the desktop. But the picture that I'm going to locate it is actually on the desktop. So I'm going to click right here at that picture. Then there you go, directly on the desktop. I'm going to click on the picture, ensure that it highlights. Then I'm going to come all the way here that said insert. I'm going to click the word insert. Now when I click insert, you notice you jump up on it like this, but you want it inside before the middle. You can come right up here and click and press the word tight. Or you can put the cursor on this remote. Go right here, notice the same test and then click on the word tight. While you click on the word tight, you notice this end here, you're going to carry it in some more, like that. I'm going to put the cursor inside here, make sure it look like a star like this, so you can move. Now you're going to scroll up the document here, right? So you're going to actually carry it up, right? So you're going to take the time and carry it up. So far, if you notice it actually moving, so far, let me carry it up, alright? Now, if you notice how the remote set right inside the picture here, notice the word right around it, right? And if I come right up here, I can actually put some borders around it. If I come like that, that's what it look like. If I drag it like that, it will show up like that. You notice it show also show like that one. If I have it that way, you can come to that way, also that way. Any way you want to put it, you can actually come through. Just the same like that. So I'm going to choose that one. And if you notice all the remote look exactly inside it, go you can actually scroll up. So this exactly the way how you actually do it. You have to wrap text it and carry it to type. And you have it positioned here so nice that you can actually look and do your presentation just the same. Right? So if you're creating work for children or for anybody else, I want to do it, just do the same thing likewise. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So just remember to share it to your friends.